Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're going to be making this handy hat rack so I can finally have a place to hang my hat. Let's check it out. Welcome to Means Woodshop. Really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Call Means Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for you, Dad. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. So hat rack storage is something I've been meaning to get around to for like the last 2 or 3 years. Well, I've got some scrap wood, and I think what I'm going to use for the part that mounts against the wall is this cut off of a 2x4 I had laying around because I was bored. Took it and I ran it through the roundover. Gonna use that to start off with. I gotta cut grooves to accommodate the little pegs I'm gonna make. I'm gonna put an X for what needs to be removed. I've extended those lines up to the side, and just to make sure I don't mess up and accidentally cut here instead of here, I put the X's so I'll know what part needs to be removed. And I don't have a dado stack, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my crosscut sled. I'm gonna make multiple passes. So if you need a bunch of dados or notches in something and you don't have a dado stack, just do multiple passes on your table saw. It works just as good. And I'm just gonna mark a line so I know how wide the piece needs to be. And then I'll cut this out, and that'll also serve as my template for, well, the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I actually got 6 in here. So we're gonna cut this out. I've also coded this so I know where to cut and where not to cut, because I kind of mess stuff up like that. Got all my pieces sanded and ready to go, and I took the back side, the mount, and I pre-drilled and countersunk some holes for some screws because, God, who wants to wait on glue to dry? Not me. Getting some glue down in these grooves. Jeff, is there a wasp on my bag? There's one flying uncomfortably close to me. I'm gonna finish it with the same old stuff I always do. There it is mounted, and let me show you my old way of how I put my hats up when I get home. This is much better, and it'll probably make Jennifer a lot happier. Oh, I would like to say I was going through my analytics, which I haven't done in a long time, and I was sifting through it the other day, and I realized that on a lot of my older videos, and some of the more recent stuff too, Canada is the top country right now viewing a lot of my videos. Getting a lot of views and watch time from Canada, so I'd like to give a shout out to the neighbors upstairs and thank y'all for watching my videos. With this project, if you liked it and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment if you want to. Feel free to subscribe to the channel too. I have new woodworking videos every Friday. Well, I think that's about it. If you didn't like the project, then it's a bummer, man. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you next week.